guys doing? My name is Dave Sanchez. I'm the owner of Northwestern Plumbing, and we're here fundraising for the kids from Northeast Burbank Junior High School. So we have a bike over here that we donated. It's a nice lowrider bike. It has lights. It's a beach cruiser. Man, it's a really nice bike. Anyway, so we're right here in Highland Park. We have our business. We've had our business here for many years. We're local plumbers. It's a family-owned business, and this is my daughter-in-law, and she runs the office here. So go ahead, Brianna. What do you have to say?
Come buy your tickets. Call us for your plumbing needs.
Come see us at Northwestern Plumbing Company.
your sign here, Defend to Land Way. What exactly is that?
Well, we've been, the mayor passed an executive order of ED1, which means that it's not like the Alice Act. They can tear down buildings with no fight. And what they're doing to some of these RSO buildings that's already rent stabilization ordinance already, rent control, they're knocking them down and putting up high-rise affordable housing, which the least you can make is $70,000 to live in them. That's not affordable housing. So what we're doing in our building is we're trying to save it because it is an RSO, and we're trying to save it from being demolished. So we're trying to hit out to the mayor and anybody who will listen to us to help us.
All right, guys, you heard it. Help them out. Here's the information.
Help us grow our channel. Subscribe, like, comment, and watch one of these recommended videos.